Practicing English daily doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming. The key is small, consistent habits you can fit into your normal day. Here's a simple, practical daily routine anyone can follow. 1. Speak every day, even alone. Speaking daily builds confidence faster than anything. Talk to yourself while doing chores. I am cooking rice. The water is boiling. Describe what you see around you. The weather is hot today. Practice simple sentences, not big grammar. 2. Learn 5 new words a day. Don't rush. Small is powerful. Write 5 simple words. Learn. Meaning. 1 sentence each. Example. I clean the house every morning. 3. Listen to simple English. Listening trains your ears. Watch short videos in simple English. Listen to children's stories, daily conversations, short motivational videos. Tip. Watch with English subtitles first. 4. Read aloud every day. Reading aloud improves pronunciation and confidence. Read short stories, news headlines, WhatsApp messages in English. Read slowly and clearly. 5. Write 1 short paragraph. Keep it very simple. Write about your day, your family, what you ate, how you feel. Example. Today was a good day. I cooked food and cleaned the house. I feel happy. 6. Use English in real life. Turn daily life into practice. Greet people in English. Think in English instead of translating. Change your phone language to English. Comment in English on social media. 7. Repeat 1 simple routine daily. Consistency matters more than perfection. Daily English plan. 30 minutes total. Speak. 5 to 10 minutes. Listen. 10 minutes. Read. 5 minutes. Write. 5 minutes. Important tips. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. Don't wait to be perfect. Practice every day. Even if it's small,